times are hard, feels out of place. Our fate in love takes us back to yesterday. The bed is cold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am not really going to do a video today. I just wanted to come on and announce the winners of the giveaway. This one was a little tough because we almost had a tie. We had Aaron got 3 new subscribers. And then next in line was Maria. I think the last name is Colby. Hope I got that right. She got 2 new subscribers. And then Summer is 40 and Fabulous. I got 1. So the winner is Aaron. And the second place, Maria, I'm still going to send you a little surprise package. So if you want to send me a message on my my Instagram, or I will also have my email in the description, so you can send me an email with your information. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for participating in the giveaway. I got my new lighting. I guess we could talk about that. I look a little different. I'll have my next video. I'll finally have my background. Thank goodness. It just seems like things are taking like forever to come. Excuse the way I look. I'm like ready for bed. I'm like exhausted. And I know this video is kind of late. I didn't get a chance to get on here yesterday because I was setting everything up. And I wasn't feeling too good to begin with. Also, there's something else I wanted to show you guys. I was super excited about this. This is the Urban Decay Naked Vault Box, Volume 2. I wanted this so bad because this doesn't come with like the any lipstick or lip gloss or anything like that. Like, I didn't want that. And the other ones, not sure if it was Volume 1, I believe. It came with 3 of these. Why you would need... Mine's a little broken. But why you would need 3 of these, I don't know. I mean, yes, they're different shades, but they're so similar. Like, why would you need it? And I really wasn't impressed with this. I mean, I really wasn't. The highlight in it's good. The bronze in it's good. But I did not like the blush. I mean, I think I needed, you know, a little darker. This is the Going Native one, and it's light pink. You could tell by the marks on it. I really dug in there. I mean, as you can see, just even attempting to swatch it, nothing is coming off with my finger. I mean, I was pretty disappointed in that, but that highlight, I mean, is great, and the bronze is pretty good. But anyway, back to this. I had all these except 2. I didn't have the basics, so I didn't have it to complete. So I ordered those and I got them. But there's what it looks like. It has 6 palettes, including the, hope you can see that, including the Naked, Naked 2, Naked 3, Naked Smoky, and then the Naked Basics and Naked 2 Basics. And then it comes in this really nice box. It also has a sleeve, but I kind of put it over there. So I was super excited to finally get the last 2 pieces of that. It is really nice. I like it a lot. I really don't use the Naked palettes like so much. I think it's more or less like a collecting thing type thing for me. I don't know. I mean, I've used, you know, some of them, but I'm just not too into they're more like neutral, everyday type stuff. Nothing like out there. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to get on here and announce the winners of the giveaway. And please, Maria Colby, I hope that's how you pronounce your last name, get in touch with me, and so I can get your information and send you out a little surprise. And Erin, I got your information already, so I will be sending that out on Monday. And also a little something for you too, Maria. Thanks a lot. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys on Monday.